A good day to Sir Ahmad Anis. My name is Sangeeta Sandran, metric number 281913. Would like to present my STIW 2044 mobile programming final project. Before I proceed to the application, let me brief regarding the application I have created. Okay, the application name is Symler Cooks and Bake, and it is a home-based bakery which is located in Sungai Petani, Kedah. They are selling a lot of varieties of cake ever since 2017. So I decided to create an application for them, and let's take a look on it. Okay. Okay, here you can see a splash screen which is displaying special offer for Valentine's Day. I decided to come up with a splash screen where it will have a promotion for the particular occasion of the month. So I choose Valentine since Valentine is occasion for February. Okay, so once the splash screen and it will redirect to the login page where you can see right now. And here we can see email. In order to log in, we need to put email and password. And also there is a remember me feature. Okay, since we don't have an account yet, let's log in for it. Sangeeta. gmail.com 016905245. And yes. And here you can see there is four requirements in order to come up with a strong password, where we need to put at least 8 characters, 1 uppercase and 1 numeric character and 1 special case. Okay, let me type it out. Sangeeta 21 Lion. Okay, here I already typed Sangeeta 21 Lion. Whenever you type one by one, once you meet the requirements, which is like you fulfill the requirement, 8 characters means it will turn out to the green color, so that you know whether you can already fill up the meet the requirement or not. Okay, and here we have the EULA agreement form, and also hang on, let's see what happened if I put numeric in name. Okay, wait. Oh, okay, I'm sorry. I overlooked that. Okay. Okay, let's see. Okay, the name should not contain any numbers, which means the name only can contain alphabetical format. It won't support any numerical format. Okay, let's see what happened if I remove the .com. Yes, it's not letting us to register since it already pop up a error message at email saying enter a valid email. Everyone knows, like, in order to come up with an email, alliance and .com is very important. And here we go. We already meet the requirements as well as the passwords. Just now, okay, let's see if I put 1 here. Yes, it will create a pop-up message saying password do not match. Yes. So I'm sorry. Okay, everything is good to go. Okay. Okay, if you want to remember now, you cannot, because in order to remember, you need to put a valid things first. So abcd@gmail.com, we go with the predicted one, and also Sangeeta 21 Lion. Okay, here you can see already put, and we click the remember button so that we don't need to type it again and again in order to log in. It will store your information so that it would be easy for you to visit next. Okay, let's log in. Okay, here we can see the main interface, which is like once you successfully log in, you can see this interface, which is our home page, and you can see a app bar saying Symler Cooks and Bake, which is our application name as well. And here you can see a search feature, and also you can see if you notice there is a thing which is like loading the picture. So I have installed 20 product details, and everything is given details once you click. So let's take a look on it. Before I proceed, let me explain what's on this site. Okay, in this site, you can see pictures, cake pictures, of course, and also title, cake name, which is like, for example, Belgian chocolate vegan cake. Okay, this particular name is already stored as capitalize each letter in our database, but then when it comes to here, we use the two uppercase feature in order to make it every title is uppercase for this section. Okay, here you can see our okay, here you can see the price as well. For example, it's 130 ringgit, and also the price is highlighted in red color so that it would be attract the customers, and it will be the like first shot once they enter the application, and also followed by weight and dimension. Okay, here you can see 1 kg, and it's also given 8" by 4", which means like 8 by 4. Okay, and also let's take a look on the search. Okay, search. Let me search for chocolate since it's my favorite flavor. Or sorry. Okay, once you click chocolate, all the chocolate flavors will be appear here. If you notice here, out of 20 products, 5 cakes are from chocolate, made from chocolate. So here you can see it's chocolate, chocolate, chocolate. And let's go for one more round. My second favorite will be right. Yeah, very well. But okay, okay, let me retype again. Right. Velvet. Yes. Once I put red, it will consider like all the right. Yes, once I type RE, it will like go to the names which have only the RE letters. But once I click the D, then only it will be like appear the particular search font, which means like we found for red, and we get the red velvet cake. Okay, that how the search button works for this side, and you also view the cake product here. So, okay, you can view the cake product here. Before I proceed to the detailing info page, let me start from here. Okay, once you click the cake, you have a slide screen first where it will display 3 types of the cake, which is upper part, a longer version part, and also a detailing part. Okay, and also we can the picture is followed by the name as well, which is Belgian chocolate vegan cake, and we also have description, which is like why the customer have to purchase this cake, what's so special about this cake, that what described in the description, and also followed by the ingredients. Sorry, what are the ingredients, which means like some of they are vegan, some of they are uh, some of their is like normal people, and what are the ingredients they have used. So by having the ingredients, they get to know what are the cake they are purchasing and what are the ingredients they have used in order to bake the cake. Okay, and next followed by the allergen. Allergen is like for those people who really have allergic on some sort of products such as soy, nuts, dairy, wheat, and they can ensure and prevent the consequences by buying the cake, because most of them, like most of the bakery, doesn't have any allergen details. But then here you can see what are the allergens. Let's say I'm having soy allergy, means I don't need to buy this cake because it's already stated as a precaution. And also followed by the weight as well, which is 1 kg by 8 by 4". And also we have a price here, and also add to cart button. Okay, so let's take a look on another cake, which is mango cheesecake. same goes to the detailing as well, but then the details will be different, which is like ingredients, the allergens, because for each cake they use different products which will occur to happen the different allergic. So we already stated whatever allergic possibility allergic that it would be like occur after you had the cake. Okay, it also have a price tag here and also price add to cart button. Okay, before I proceed to the cart, let me show the cart button first, so that you got it will display that the cart is empty, haven't booked anything yet. And also there is a total and checkout and total amount and checkout. Okay, now let's take a look on the account part. We have 4 features in account part, which is edit profile, change password, address, and purchase history. First, we're going to take a look at the edit profile. Okay, once you click edit profile, it will appear the name, email, and phone number. So let's change it to the Rachel Green. And the phone number, no, it's okay. Let's change one by one. Okay, once you change the name, let's see whether it works or not. Okay, we go back and come back again. Here you can see it's already updated as Rachel Green. From Sangeeta, it's already updated to Rachel Green. And if you notice previously, I was typed in lowercase. But however, once you type in lowercase, it automatically changed into uppercase. And also, let's try fix this one. See if it works. Yes, it worked as well. If you can see edit profile, you can see the name Sangeeta from Sangeeta, it changed to Rachel Green, and the phone number from 016, it changed to 012. Okay, change password. Okay, wait. Okay, Sangeeta. I think there is a minor mistake from the scroll view. Hold on, this one actually, okay. We change to Sangeeta Lion 21. As long, I think, hopefully it can let us to submit. Yeah, it's okay already. Sangeeta, let's submit it. Okay, the password have been updated successfully, and yeah. Okay, the address is for now. It's empty since we just registered the account, and also as well as the purchase history. Okay, so where do we start first? Okay, let's start by adding the, okay, no, just log out and this one first. Since we already changed the password, let's log out and rejoin again. Let's see whether it's working or not. Okay, Sangeeta Lion 21. Remember me? Okay, login is successful, which means the password is already successfully updated. And also now we're going to add to cart our products. Okay, let me choose by which is mouth-watering for me. I will start by red velvet and I add to cart. Okay, once I add to cart successfully, it will redirect to the product list page again, where we can add some more if we want to. Okay, since I already add in our homepage, let me add from the search bar. Okay. Wow. Okay, I already add again. Okay, let's see the cart if it's stored or not. Here you can see the product we already add. It's already in our cart. Yeah, 110 ringgit, 130 ringgit, in total of 240. I want to have another red velvet where I can add, because we already insert the feature. See, the price is also increasing 130 plus 220 plus equals to 350. So I wanna delete these. Also success, it's already deleted the red velvet cake because I don't want to choose it, and I want to have 2 Belgium chocolate vegan cake, which is also successfully updated. Okay, so we proceed to check out, and it's pickup time delivery. Let's say I want 5 p.m. Okay, so you can see what are the chocolate cake you have chosen. Quantity 2, price is 260 in total. Okay. Okay, here you can see just now we went for pickup. Here you can see Rachel Green, our email address and our company name, number, and also email as well. And here we can see bill, please. This is the payment gateway, by the way. Pay. Successful payment. I'm just wondering why is it so laggy. I think it's something wrong with my laptop ever since I didn't shut on for 2 days in a row. Okay, here you can see the receipt. I will zoom it if it's possible. Yes. Yeah, here you can see the receipt. I'm sorry. Which stated a receipt email to and the total amount, date, as well as the time. And in order to back button, we can even return to the app. Unlike the other pages, you need to log in or it will redirect to the home. Once you return to the page, here you can see your cart is empty again, which means it is outdating. Once you purchase and once you come back, the card is gone because you already purchased the products. Okay, let's see if it's for delivery. Okay, card. And also, okay, let's add one more to make it more interesting. Okay. Yeah, 2 pieces. Okay, to 335. Checkout. Yes, we go for delivery. So once we click the delivery, the address is empty because we haven't updated the address yet, remember? Okay, tap to change. This is the add button. Okay. Two five nine one nine 378 378. Okay. Here we have 2 options. First, I would like to choose the location. Yes, this is my house address right now where I'm living. It will appear the house address because the location is like getting the current address where am I staying. Okay, and save. Okay, so you can see the address here, and let's see if I wanted to order for another person. Jacqueline 016905245. Click map for a change. Yeah, actually this map is unavailable because of my Android version as per what Google said. Okay, so we can see here, here I use Zoom 11.7, which is quite enlarged. I mean, quite it's not that large. It's like upper part from it's the zoom is like 11.5 means like it's from a bit above than the enlarging thing. Okay, so let's, so if you can see the map, we can have the payment. It would be more easy if there is a map screen, but then unavailability due to my Android version, it's not supporting. And yeah, let's take a look. Okay, this thing, let's save, and if the delivery is already automatically counted as well. Okay, save. Okay. Yeah, now as you can see, we already successfully start two addresses, which is for Sangeeta as well as Jacqueline. And now we're going to the card to check out again, because previously we wanted to check out and we don't have address. So let's see whether we have address or not. Yes. Going here, we can choose whether we want to the delivery address should be Sangeeta's or Jacqueline's. Let me go with Sangeeta. And here we can see the products we already added to the cart, which is salted caramel chocolate and fruity chantilly cake, and which is total of amount payable 335 ringgit. And now let's see. Okay, so we are paying, and now onwards it will redirect to the page where we can proceed to our payment gateway. Okay, here you can see the title, the customer's name, the email, as well as the phone number. And here we have option, which is bill please. And yes, we proceed to it. Okay, once we pay, we can decide whether the payment successful or not. Let's go with successful. And here we go. We already have the receipt, which is stated for the email, as well as the date and the time, and also the receipt number. Okay. So once we proceed back to the card is empty because we just purchased the product. So it will automatically update the database so that it won't be any products in the cart. Okay, for a change, we go for, yes, we go for failed payment this time. Okay, checkout, and I will go with delivery. And this time I want to go with Jacqueline and pay now. And yes. So we wanted to see how the interface will be appear once we click the failed payment. Okay. Okay, it already stated the payment is failed. So once we go back to the card, which means we still have the product that we already added in the cart, which means it's not paid yet and it's not checkout yet. Okay, so we can check out by clicking the payment successfully. Okay, here we can see back to our account page where we wanted to see our purchase history. So here you can see the purchase. We bought 3 products just now, which is the chocolate cake, caramel cake, and the fruit cake. And also the status is all updated to the page, which means this once we click the successful payment in the bills please payment gateway, it automatically will update our status as paid. Okay, and we also can see the receipt number here as well as the time and date. Okay, so what else? Okay, so let's see what happened if I click the phone icon here. Okay, whenever the customer have any inquiries regarding their purchases or the cake, how the cake made, so they can click the circle, they can click the icon button where it will redirect to a call logs and it will like automatically key in the number. So all you have to do is click the call button and just call the owner and can talk whatever inquiries that you have. Okay, so I guess that's all. So let's see whether the logout is working or not. Okay, once you click the login button, it automatically will redirect to the login page where you need to log in again. But this time you don't have to type your email and your password one by one, since we already enabled the preference thought, which is by clicking the remember me. Okay, so sign up button. Here we can sign up, and once if you wanted to, if you wrongly come to the page and you don't you already have account, means you can click the already have an account, and where it will redirect back to the login page. So you can see here. So that's all for the applications presentation. Let's take a look on our web hosting and database. Okay, let me enlarge it. Okay, this is the file directory. This is the file directory where I store all the PHP files and all the back-end coding. Here you can see there is like, okay, wait. Here you can see we have for add address, add card, DB connect, which is very important in order to connect the database, and delete address, delete card, generate. Okay, let's open one of it and see how it works. Okay, let's wait. Login user. Login user, we select all the items from the table user, where user email equals to email and user password equals to password. And this is where once it verify your details, it will turn out to be you can log in the page successfully. Okay, this is my server name as well as the username, password, and database. This is the database name. And also close. Okay, what else I want to show? Oh yeah, right. Okay, this is the generate build gateway where I need to generate my own API key from Bill's Please Sandbox, and here is my API key as well as the collection ID. So all these directory involved in my application. Okay, so let's take a look on the database. Okay, come on. Okay, you can see we have 6 tables in total, which is address, card, history, product, and purchase. And once you click the user, once you click the user, it will display all the users that have been logged into our account. And also address. Just now the address was empty, right? Once we already add the addresses, it already updated here. So the last is Jacqueline and Sangeeta. The rest two is for testing I did previously. You can see the email address. The one we use right now is Sangeeta as well as the Jacqueline. Okay, so let's test it out whether it's working on live or not. Wait, where's the email? Okay. Okay, let's see. I wanted to wait on. Okay, numbers. Okay, let's say I wanted to edit the profile, which is from Rachel Green. I wanted to edit to Monica to see whether it's updating or not. Okay, there is a space. Okay, once we save here, let's refresh our PHPMyAdmin. Yeah, it takes some time to load. Yes, our name from Rachel Green here, we already changed to Monica, and the database is also updated as Monica. How about the number? Sorry. I think there is some problem. 5, 7, 8. 016 905 245. Yeah, it is success. Maybe it's just like lagging. It is success now, and here we refresh again whether we can see the number change from 012 to 016 or not. Okay, the number is already successfully changed. You can see here, and also let's take a look under every table as well as the rows we have used. Okay, here we have email, name, address, phone number. And also the user, we have user ID, user email, username, password, registration date, user address, and phone number. As well as for the product, we have PR stand for product, PR ID, product name, product description, ingredients. Like I mentioned earlier, we already have 20 details in total. And yeah, back to our Flutter. That's all from me. Thank you.